Imagine this. You're feeling nauseous, your stomach is upset, there's that bloated sensation, or maybe you just ate something heavy and now deeply regret it. You felt that before, right? Now, what if I told you there's a plant so powerful, that researchers claim it can be up to 130 times more effective than lemon when it comes to cleansing the body, detoxifying the liver, fighting indigestion, and even helping your skin glow from the inside out? And the most impressive part? It's probably in your backyard, at your grandma's house, or sold by that local street vendor, and you have no idea how powerful it is. This plant is called Boldo, and what you're about to discover today might transform your health in a way no pharmacy medicine ever could. But before we continue, subscribe to the channel right now. Here, we reveal the most powerful natural health secrets the industry would rather you didn't know. Smash that like button, turn on the notification bell, and share this video with someone who needs to hear this today. Shall we? Number 1. The secret hiding in your backyard. Boldo like you've never seen before. When people think of Boldo, most turn up their noses. Ugh, it's bitter, or it's just for an upset stomach. But what most don't know is that behind that strong taste lies one of the most complete medicinal plants out there. Boldo is rich in flavonoids, alkaloids, essential oils, and bitter compounds that act directly on the liver, kidneys, intestines, skin, and digestive system. It's a true purifier of the human body. But the most shocking part? Studies show Boldo may have 130 times more antioxidant power than lemon. Yes, 130 times. That means it fights free radicals with incredible strength, helping prevent diseases, premature aging, and chronic inflammation. Number 2. What Boldo does to your body in just 10 minutes. As soon as you consume an infusion or extract of Boldo, your body starts reacting. 1. Your liver starts working better. It stimulates bile production, which is essential for fat digestion and cleansing the body. 2. Your intestines respond. Boldo helps relieve constipation, reduces gas, and eases bloating. 3. Your skin changes. When your liver and intestines are clean, your skin reflects that health. Acne, spots, and oiliness visibly decrease. 4. Your brain thanks you. That mental fatigue and lack of focus? Often, that comes from liver overload. With Boldo, the brain fog starts to lift. And all of this can start happening within minutes of drinking it. Amazing, right? Number 3. Warning, don't take Boldo this way. Now listen carefully, it's not a miracle. Boldo has contraindications. Pregnant women, people with serious liver conditions, small children, and those taking anticoagulants should avoid it. Also, overuse or taking Boldo for extended periods can harm your liver, the very organ it's meant to help. The ideal way is to consume Boldo in light infusions, up to 3 times a week and never for more than 30 consecutive days. After that, take a break. If you're still here, comment the word detox below so I know you're part of the team that values natural healing. And hey, if you haven't subscribed yet, this is the moment. Hit that like button and turn on the bell because there's much more amazing content coming your way. Number 4. How to prepare Boldo the right way. Effective and safe recipe. The most common and safe way to consume Boldo is through tea. But there's a right way to prepare it that maximizes benefits without overwhelming your body. Ingredients: 1 medium fresh Boldo leaf, or 1 TSP of dried Boldo, 200 ml of hot, not boiling water. Instructions: heat the water until just before boiling. Add the Boldo leaf and cover for 7 minutes. Strain and drink warm, preferably on an empty stomach or 30 minutes after meals. Avoid sweetening it, especially with refined sugar. If necessary, add a drop of pure honey. Number 5. Powerful combos Boldo plus mint plus ginger. Want a health-boosting combo? Mix Boldo with mint and a small slice of ginger. This combo improves digestion, reduces nausea, soothes the stomach, reduces bloating. And the best part, the flavor becomes milder and more pleasant, even for those who don't like Boldo's bitterness. Number 6. Boldo and emotional memory. Energetic cleansing. Now take a deep breath and reflect with me. How many emotions do you swallow each day? How many grudges, fears, and frustrations are stored inside without you even noticing? In natural medicine, the liver is believed to be the organ that stores anger, resentment, and emotional pain. When you start taking care of your liver, cleansing it with plants like Boldo, you also begin cleansing old emotional wounds. The lightness isn't just physical, It's emotional. It's as if your body and soul breathe together again. And that may be Boldo's greatest gift. It invites you to let go of what weighs you down and live lighter. If this content is resonating with you, share this video on WhatsApp or in your family groups. Someone you love might need to hear this today. And of course, if you haven't done it yet, subscribe now. It costs you nothing but means everything to me. Number 7. Boldo for the skin, a secret almost no one talks about. Few people know this, but Boldo can also be used on your skin as a natural tonic. Brew a light Boldo tea, let it cool, and apply to your face with a cotton pad. It helps reduce oiliness, fight blackheads and pimples, lighten minor dark spots, tone tired skin. It's simple, affordable, and completely natural. As always, do a patch test on your forearm before applying to your face. Number 8. Boldo as a shield against modern diseases. We live in an age of excess. Too much food, too much stress, too much everything. The body cries out, and we silence it. But Boldo silently works like a shield. It clears out the excess, rebalances what's out of sync, and gives your body a chance to heal itself. And the secret? Regular use with awareness. Drink the right tea at the right time while listening to your body's signals. Now that you know all this, the choice is yours. You can ignore this information and keep suffering from bloating, poor digestion, and constant fatigue. Or you can start today to use the power of Boldo in your favor, with awareness, balance, and ancestral wisdom. This plant didn't show up in your life by accident. If it crossed your path, maybe it's your body asking for help. If this video touched you in any way, comment below. I choose to take care of myself. And of course, subscribe to the channel now, drop a like, and turn on notifications. I'll see you in the next video with another natural secret that could change your life. Take care. With love. See you on the next video. Bye.